So let's start. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now we'll shake into that left wrist, then up to the elbow, and all the way to the shoulder, and onto the right wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder, both arms together. And we'll shake into the left ankle, and the knee, all the way to the hip. And onto the right ankle, the knee, and the hip. And bring the feet back to hip width. Bring the arms up. Sweep the arms back as you bend the knees. So keep the knees facing forwards. So we exhale down, inhale up. Remember, nothing should hurt. So if this doesn't feel good, then just stand this one out. And come back to standing. So balance pose, we'll do dancer's pose. So stand on the left leg. Take hold of the right foot. Bring the left arm up. We'll inhale. Exhale, lift that right leg. Then coming down. We'll do the other side. So doing 3 each side. So standing on the right, take hold of the left foot, bring the right arm up. And inhale first, exhale, lift the leg. And just going as far as you can comfortably. And we'll come down. So again, standing on the left, take hold of the right foot. Inhale, exhale. Lift that right leg, maybe a little bit higher, trying to have the foot away from the bottom. And coming down, standing on the right, take hold of the left foot. Inhale, exhale, lifting the leg. Coming down, so one more each side. Let's stand on the left, take hold of the right. Inhale, exhale, lifting that leg as high as you can without causing any pain. So reach forwards with that left arm and breathe. Now come down, last one. Standing on the right, taking hold of that left foot. Inhale, exhale, lift, lengthen forward with the right arm. Breathe. And come down. So stand in pose, do warrior 2. We'll turn in that left foot 90 degrees, bend in the left knee. Right foot slightly angled towards that left foot. Shoulders above the hips. Arms shoulder level. And very gently turn the head. Bring the arms down. Turn the feet around. That right foot is 90 degrees. Make sure that right knee is tracking in line with the toes. And turn the head to look along that right arm. And breathe. Bring the arms down. So one more each side. We've got that left foot 90. Body facing forwards. So come into the basic warrior two. If you want to, we'll take it a step further. Turn that front palm up, back hand to the thigh, and then reach the arm over the head. Remember to keep that bend in the front knee. And coming on up, and do the other side. And turning the right foot 90 degrees, shoulders above the hips. So either stay with the basic warrior two, or we'll turn the front palm up, back hand to the thigh, and arch the arm over the head, and breathe. So if you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And then we'll come on up and finish with the good posture and the breathing. So crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just let the belly be soft. And feel the belly expand on the in-breath. But don't force the breath. Just let it be natural. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.